Speaking of Bharti Airtel, the losses are expected to narrow in the December quarter, and both India and Africa businesses are likely to play their parts. Soumeet is standing by with the expectations. Soumeet, what should one anticipate?
Well, the Africa business has actually played its part. If you see the Airtel Africa number, which were very strong in the third quarter of financial year 2020, with 8 consecutive quarters of double-digit constant currency growth, and EBITDA for the Airtel Africa business was at an all-time high. So all focus on Bharti Airtel numbers which will be coming out today will be on the India mobile business and the ARPU number that comes in. So I'll first start off with the consolidated numbers of Bharti Airtel. Now, if you see compared to last quarter, the revenues are expected to be higher by 3.3%. EBITDA is expected to be higher by nearly 2%. Margins are expected to contract marginally to around 41.3%, while the net loss number is expected to narrow at around 791 crore rupees. The average revenue per user number, this is the ARPU number, and the key number for the India mobile business, that is expected to be higher by 4% to close to 133 rupees per user per month. Now, the India mobile revenues are expected to bounce back after a seasonally weak second quarter of financial year 2020. Strong broadband additions, resumption of services in Jammu and Kashmir and other parts of the country which were impacted due to floods in the second quarter, and some benefits of tariff hikes announced in December 2019 will aid the India mobile revenue and the ARPU number. However, some of these positives will be offset by lower interconnect usage charge revenue due to changing call symmetry trends that we have witnessed in the third quarter of financial year 2020. Now, there were some one-off provisions that were done by Airtel in the second quarter, and absence of these provisions in the third quarter and some higher marketing expense in the third quarter will impact the margins marginally. Now, the marketing cost is expected to be higher compared to last quarter, and that is because of the Airtel Extreme launch that we had seen. Now, the India mobile subscriber base, that is also expected to be higher compared to last quarter. Not a big addition, but some addition that we had seen, that is around 28.2 crore as compared to 27.9 crore reported in the second quarter of financial year 2020. Now, since the new tariff was applicable only for those prepaid customers whose validity ends in December 2019, the ARPU growth is expected to be limited, and in fact the entire benefit of this tariff hikes would be visible only in the fourth quarter of financial year 2020 and in the first quarter of financial year 2020. Now, for the other businesses of Bharti Airtel, the DTH business is expected to do well, while the enterprise and the broadband business could see some moderations compared to last quarter, and that is because of the renewed competitive pressure coming in from Reliance Jio. Lastly, key things to watch out for from Bharti Airtel earnings would be any capital raising plans of the company, if any, the capital expenditure and network expansion plans, management commentary on AGR dues, floor pricing proposal and participation in auction, and lastly any commentary on the strategy to increase market share going forward would be important to watch out for from Bharti Airtel earnings today.